Good morning, everyone. I'm in Myrtle Beach and I'm about to go to hot yoga. The two little ones, or my two older ones, one has a fever and the other one has a migraine. So I'm by myself. I'm gonna go into this hot yoga over here. If I can record, I will. I don't know if I'll be able to, but we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go get our workout done today. And unfortunately, it's just gonna be me because the other two are sick. All right, let's get it done. Bye. There's just something about the beach that feels good for the soul. The fresh ocean air clears your mind, and the sound of the waves have a calming effect that can melt away stress. Walking barefoot in the sand gives your body a gentle workout without even trying. Plus, soaking up the little sun helps boost your mood and give your body a healthy dose of vitamin D. That's why I enjoy coming to the beach often. I am so grateful to have a condo of my own so that I can spend time with my family on the beach. So hello everyone, this is week 5 of my Bikini Body plan / challenge, week 5 of 16. I'm doing the Shannon Gennifer Strobo plan. They are both pro bikini card holders. So we're still trucking. We're in week 5. We're still trying to make it. As you see, I am rushing to the gym. It is dark outside. And I'm at work. Yay! So let's go get in the gym and get this body into shape. Keep following along. I'm trying to push through. I just got back from Myrtle Beach. But we're not slowing down. We're not giving in to temptations, and we're gonna keep on moving forward. Yay. Let's get it. £10 vest. Stepper machine. Let's get it. The way to finish. Smash it. Leg day. Done. I started off wrong and I finished strong. That's what we gotta keep on remembering. Started off wrong, but finished strong. This day is over. Tomorrow's a new start. Okay, thanks for watching. Again, this was week 5, phase 2 of our Bikini Body challenge by Shannon and Gennifer Strobo. This week was harder because the workouts were longer and you had more supersets to go with them. I am exhausted and I almost didn't want to make this video only because I'm so tired and I just needed a break. But I was like, I gotta get it on. I know it's late. I'm sorry. But we made it and we're to the end of this week and we're gonna smash it next week. Next week I'll show you a little bit more what I'm eating. I'm gonna put up my macros right now to show you that I did make it. I had a hard time getting them on point, but with a little bit of protein supplements, I was able to make my goals. So I'm going to put it up there for you. It is not 100% to the food plan that I gave you. Unfortunately, I just can't eat 100 times a day, and I didn't really want fish. So I worked out my macros just to make sure I was on point, and that's what I did. And it's okay. It's okay to adjust, and it's okay to change things and make things that work for you. Because at the end of the day, we're just trying to make it to the end of this 16 weeks strong, healthier, and just getting there. That's the point. So thank you again for following along. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try my best to be on point next week and get my video out on Wednesday. But I was just, like I said, super tired. I just wanted to sleep. I do work nights again. I work from 6:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. So I am also exhausted a lot of these times, and I am working out on my meal, on my break. So I don't get any sleep at night. So when I get home, I have to sleep, or if I have doctor's appointments or things to do with my children, I have to make it happen whether or not I'm tired. So with that being said, I am going to be well rested next week, and I'm going to make sure that I'm on point and I get my video out on Wednesday. But again, thank you for watching. Stick around, keep coming back. I really enjoy doing these, and I hope you enjoy watching them. Thanks. Bye. I almost forgot to include my recap. Without further ado, here it is.